If you're in the market for a small collapsible table, I would highly recommend this Best Choice Products table. And I'm going to show you all the reasons why I really love it and why it works so amazingly for my small space. As you can see, I've got it kind of pushed up to the wall here. It's all broken down, but I can still use it as a shelf if I want to kind of display some things on here. So it's got this nice feature where we can just kind of store it away when needed. And then when we want to use it, it's on wheels, which just makes it so amazing and easy to move around. Each of the wheels also locks, so you can lock it in place or you can free them up so they can move around. So just to give you an idea how big it gets, you can get both of these sides out here. You simply pull this out, and then it's got this great locking mechanism right here. And then when you don't want to lock it, you can release it very easily. Just fold it right back in there. Now here you can see just how big this table has gotten. It's literally become the size of my TV stand over there when we've got it fully expanded. One other thing too is you can actually only have one side up. Especially if you just like to want to use half of it, or maybe you want to stick this edge up against the wall and put a chair here. It's a nice little workstation as well. Here is an up close look under the hood. Here is the locking mechanism, which you can simply just unlock when you're ready to move this. I'll leave that up for safety purposes here. Then we've got the nice inside shelving here. This provides wonderful storage options, so you can store books, papers, craft supplies, or whatever you need. Another feature I like is that these shelves are actually adjustable, so you can go ahead and adjust them to whatever height you like. I have mine at about 9 inches, about 8 or 9 inches apart here. And when you're ready to put it away, you unlock this, push it in nice and secure, and then this will go down very easily. And now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and just slide it right back where I like to store it out of the way so that I can then use it the next time I need it. Highly recommend this Best Choice Products foldable table. It's great for small spaces. I love that I can fold it up or expand it to be however small or how big I need it, plus the extra storage. And the wheels really give it that nice touch. Highly recommend.